Hey guys, I picked up my vlogging camera today because I'm gonna do a vlog of my day. We are Sunday and today I really want to get things ready for the week ahead, to be really well mentally and have things prepped, not only about the food, not only about the apartment, but just my week, my planning and all. My apartment is very messy and I have a lot of admin things to do too, and I want to clean up everything. I want to just get things sorted. I personally love watching those kind of videos. They always motivate me and sometimes I'll learn a few tips, so maybe you're gonna learn something. I really hope you're gonna enjoy this video, and if you do, please don't forget to thumbs up and leave me a little comment below. Alright, let's get into this reset day that actually starts on Saturday night. Just came home from my friend's party in the other side of Paris. This week has been really busy for me. I really want to have a reset day tomorrow. And yeah, my reset day starts on Saturday because I just love to make a little list of things that I'll go through tomorrow. Of course, I want to start my day meditating. That's like a habit that I have, and then I love to exercise, love to go for a run, and then I come home, sort out all the mess there is in my apartment, in my kitchen, do the laundry, and then grocery shopping because the shops here in Paris, they close early on Sunday. I want to start my week ahead, get some work done, film some videos, also take a little bit of time for me, and I'm gonna go to bed right now. So I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. Good morning. I am just about to work out. I'm gonna do 30 minutes of strength training because I like how it makes me feel strong. And then I'm gonna go for a run because I love the endorphin of a run and I get to go to nature. So this is my plan. I still haven't organized any of my messy apartment. And I usually really hate to go out when the apartment isn't done, but I know that I'll get time after, so this is the plan.
Do your best. So take a deep breath in with an exhale. We're gonna lift for 5, 4, nice and high, 3, 2, and 1 more. Good. Set them down.
Now, let's run. I barely run since my marathon, and honestly it's super hard to get back into it, but again, it's such a cool way for me to escape the city for a bit. Showered. I think I'm gonna get breakfast because I'm quite hungry. Eventually I run for an hour and 20 minutes. After that I need to get things going because the grocery shopping is gonna close soon, but I got this.
J'ai deux amours. J'ai deux amours.
So I like to set timers to separate my tasks when I have a lot of things to do. I give myself 17 minutes to pick up and sort out everything that's on the floor. And when the time is up, I put a second timer to sort out everything that's on a desk, on a table, on the bed, and the counter. You get it, in all the rooms. And when all this is done, I go room by room and I clean everything. You really don't have to do it my way, but that's just what I've done since I've been living on my own for 10 years now, and it's always worked, so I just thought I would share this tip with you. Let's get into the dishes. Fancy juicer, but very annoying to clean. When I come home from groceries, if there's anything I buy in bulk, I transfer it to a jar, and I also remove the empty jars that I have. And then I tackle this. Oh my gosh! I always keep the less annoying tasks and the ones that are, let's say, less cardio for the afternoon. I always change my sheets. Fresh sheets are so important for me to feel like, yeah, it's a new start, it's a refresh, it's a great week ahead. I make a little list of meals that I want to eat during the week with what I bought and what I had remaining. And then I start meal prepping. So I rinse the rice, I soak my grains, my legumes, my seeds, etc. for the week ahead. And if you wish to know why I do this, I have dedicated a whole blog post on my blog about why soaking your nuts and seed is very important and why you should do it too. And then I made some hummus, very basic things actually, a little sauce, some muffins to have over the week for snacking or breakfast. I didn't meal prep that much this time, but I was thinking of doing a meal prep video, like a few tips, so let me know if that is something you would like to see.